Inflammation in the scalp is the root cause of nearly all hair thinning in both men and women, whether you can feel it, see it, or not. This inflammation disrupts the delicate environment of the hair follicle, leading to weakened hair growth, miniaturization of follicles, and eventual thinning. The good news is that reducing this inflammation can restore the scalp's health and create the conditions for stronger, healthier hair to grow. One effective method for reducing scalp inflammation is the use of targeted treatments like Immortals Oil. This oil, when applied to the scalp and left on for at least an hour before washing off, can help soothe inflammation and nourish the follicles. It's important to use a fragrance-free shampoo or one designed for allergy-prone scalps to avoid further irritation. This combination of treatment and gentle cleansing can significantly improve the scalp's environment over time. Diet also plays a critical role in managing inflammation. Reducing sugar and refined carbohydrates in your diet while increasing your intake of high-quality animal protein can have a profound impact on reducing systemic inflammation. Animal proteins provide essential amino acids that support tissue repair and hormone regulation, both of which are crucial for healthy hair growth. By shifting your diet in this way, you not only support your scalp, but also your overall health. Another simple yet powerful technique is daily scalp massage. Just 15 minutes a day using your fingertips can stimulate circulation, which helps detoxify the scalp by flushing out hormone residues and other inflammatory byproducts. Improved blood flow also delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, promoting healthier growth. This practice, when combined with the other methods mentioned, can create a synergistic effect, accelerating the recovery of your scalp and hair. In summary, addressing scalp inflammation is the key to reversing hair thinning. By using targeted treatments like Immortals Oil, adjusting your diet to reduce sugar and increase animal protein, and incorporating daily scalp massage, you can create an optimal environment for hair growth. These strategies, when applied consistently, can help restore your scalp's health and support the growth of thicker, stronger hair.